Tazala Kongo Muteta. Joski Kiambukuta.
Ya disco.
Ya tene. Speaking of disco, disco de to igero gori disco ma methi mo Nairobi. Tondu kwedi gwakorago disco, and I do not have a lot of information about that disco. Iriathi ya kuinuro roweini. I don't remember what that name was. Take a vata.
Nisiatene.
Ganikyo kevata.
Nisiatene muno.
Kiamatu kumba ukile kile. Tweet inake.
Naruba.
Eti amaina amaka weta heri dina. Adora. No, those are probably the lower paleolithic. Ifata kiamatu kumaya. Ivitina rumbasang. Disco Nairobi. It was a very secret thing, yes, Agi.
Hey, disco day.
Yes.
You see, for one restrictions.
Yes.
It was not for everyone, especially underage.
Yes. You see, the thing is, disco motigia kile gethiri muno because it involved loud music. Unagotia kile headphone matuko mareko.
Matuko bashio.
So if you had to do a disco within an illegitimate age, you go into the depth of the forest.
Far away.
Far away, so that you can go and sing there. Modia mo kaine mo shukani.
Na tiekoti ya mo shukani.
With your lovely birds of paradise. Yes.
And it would be very ugly and very bad.
Yes.
Especially for a girl child.
Yes.
Amenye kete ni anathite disco.
Actually, kugia twikiriate wariga. Ana umauku. Akariga kuma keliraine agathiuraya disco. No, actually, that statement would even jeopardize the chances yake kohika.
In fact, though onagari umuiteira ginya joy. He would write you off.
Ona joy either. Because that was they would actually wanagota tagari na mileage.
No, it was very bad, especially hare muiretu.
Yes.
Mwanake kile wamenya kana ati riu society na aciari ne mamenya riu we are about to lose you slowly.
Actually ni hakinya point iho family iria involved cia mwanake ore wakururie muiretu ucio ri maikathi na family no makagia truce makauga reke andu acio moyane tondu neither party will be sellable elsewhere. Ati arathire ginya Nyeri tabaya.
The reputation was irreparable.
Naronirwo ni andu aria mendeirie muiretu mucio uyu wake ogora. Na maramu na pio marauga niwe uyu. Yes. Sera wariga wage kurumi
aramurikirwo ni karabai
yuritie njohero mwana wa muiretu.
No, they would write you off.
Ndanariga tondu arekirite nguo ya fisco
na pamucia hoiti.
Nena pamucia cieto mankolova cia na ndira ndungu na hindi enyuite muguta ta mundu wa thiko ina ndumo.
Hey, that was bad.
Disco. Ona mwanake ri agigwikio ni athia disco, people would start worrying.
Riu ni mamenya atiriri slowly by slowly mathima kuohorete.
No, they would know now you have gone to the world. Ni amerio neke
ni thi na miago yayo. Disco.
Disco was rare.
So of course mudu guthie disco especially rumatuko mawe in your younger years or your teen years. Of course there's no be ugiaripotire muci ate ni uguthie disco.
Hapana.
Ni kuhitha ugacema utuko ta muici ukauma.
Uge wathie kuwe. Disco. Hati muri rwimbo ona mathaa mere matatu into the night. Yes. Never mind them ona no mathia ndithiko itarai ni vovu njohi onere. Yo rwimbo tu. Just music. No muma kondo koreko.
Muma disco.
Mwathakirwo nyimbo cia lege. Cia gikuyu na cia mathungu. Disco. Ona andu amwe twaimaigrete na Nairobi ni twaikara muno tuteguthie disco.
Yes.
Ate disco.
Utuko.
Andu mathia Starlight. Kuria gwetagwo Hero Country Club. Yes. Kuria CD Gong. Afro Unity. Rekemari. Saudi Tetu. Modern Green. Good Hope. Caromaido. La kono kugiweta goriri. Egweta what? There were those ones yet them. No we are the only professionals. Adwarugo ogo matioka mathiete kum. Florida 2000. Iyo athia ni watu wanaolijua jiji. Tondu Florida 2000 nayo ri ndungigire gwekirwo piusi kihingo. Kasa. Ndungiaiguire we sumu. Kune black box rewards. Modo wetu Rick Astley. Yes. Na iPhone chaka. Yes. Leo siaro gogori. Ya Good Hope. Siaro ko induct Nairobi live ri. Siare makema. Shai wa 14 dire. Wale Rivaroli. Rivaroli. No, Florida 2000 riu giekinyirie hau. Florida 2000 ni athiago ni aria marutaga gicagi-ini riri ni university. Yes. Mukaigua mwana ucio athire kambi Nairobi. Acio ni magucagio ni andu aria mokire ni higher education. Ti aria mokire guku ni higher expectation. There's a very clear difference. I'm more higher education, na higher expectation. Look, and some who came for higher expectation never suffice. More na. Kudukuna kwa ugiagira nigo ukorwo ikiabu ni kwa hetaga mundu na gugagutega abavio ugakuo ni miago ho gukuo no wakora mwana warehirwo ni ugi guku ri agatuika yusire iyo nio mibotoro na miago au ni wamenya oria insa uga story yu ati nasa raha na nasa za mjini zikamnasa ya hedo buro yako rawo sete horo ya na kirafu kiari hale KICC KICC I think it's where the Ashaki is now na kigetiere kiandu arugo sasa ngeiguire Julia Aruse ku rugo wahituka Moi Avenue no abata muno Moi Avenue no waka muno thakira Rivaroli ai kianda kiu ne ngetiwe guthina Eta tafeta road kuru na kuo guo na tema na Lagos road go ikuruka oh yes na Gabironi reni na handu hangi no hathiago wega wa hau ni matukanagia kiriu na kirugongo hetago Luthuri Nyanza day and night na wale muone Nyanza igwa githungu ni kiingi hari wauma ugakira bara ugathie njoguini wathie njoguini ukaigua ni wacokio raini ni banana
hills band na kiarutara
yes ani wakira wekira kimu kaigua mundu ni akira njuku mwana uri okaigua urajina egire baba to di ukanina kira keke
kimetha-ini
and those clubs were run down. They had a urino that used to stink of ammonia.
Kore. Thina cereti gĩtia ndagĩka 10